Did you know you can start a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face? It might sound too good to be true, but thanks to artificial intelligence, it's now easier than ever for beginners to create amazing content. If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but felt too shy or didn't have the right equipment, this video is for you. I'm going to show you step by step how to launch your own AI-powered YouTube automation channel from scratch. Section 1. What is AI YouTube automation? That is 60 seconds. So what exactly is AI YouTube automation? In simple terms, it's a method of creating videos where AI tools do most of the heavy lifting. This includes writing scripts, generating voiceovers, and even helping with the visuals. This means you can create high-quality videos without needing expensive gear, a film crew, or even showing your face on camera. It's all about leveraging smart technology to create content efficiently so you can focus on growing your channel. Section 2, Step 1, Choosing a niche, 1 to 20 seconds. The first and most important step is choosing a niche. A niche is simply the specific topic your channel will focus on. Why does this matter? Because a clear niche helps you attract a loyal audience. When people know what your channel is about, they're more likely to subscribe. For example, instead of a general history channel, you could focus on forgotten battles of World War II. Instead of a broad finance channel, you could create passive income ideas for millennials. Or how about a channel dedicated to meditation for anxiety? See how specific that is? Choosing a niche makes it easier to stand out and build a dedicated community. Take some time to think about what you're passionate or curious about. Section 3, Step 2, Writing scripts with ChatGPT 120-180 seconds. Once you have your niche, it's time to create the script. This is where a tool like ChatGPT from OpenAI becomes your best friend. You don't need to be a professional writer. You just need to give the AI a clear prompt. For example, if your niche is Forgotten Battles of World War II, you could prompt ChatGPT with, write a 5-minute YouTube video script about the Battle of Castle Itter. The AI will generate a full script for you. Now, the key is to not just copy and paste it. Read through the script, make small edits, and add your own voice to it. Maybe rephrase a sentence or add a fascinating fact you found. This light editing makes the content unique and more engaging. Section 4, Step 3, Creating AI voiceovers. Seconds. With your script ready, you need a voiceover. This is another area where AI shines. There are amazing text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs or Murph.ai that can turn your script into a natural-sounding voiceover in minutes. The quality of your audio is crucial. A clear, pleasant voiceover keeps people listening and increases watch time, which YouTube's algorithm loves. When you choose a text-to-speech tool, listen to the voice samples. Pick one that sounds human-like and fits the tone of your channel. A good voiceover builds trust with your audience and makes your content feel professional. Section 5, Step 4, Adding visuals. Seconds. Now it's time to bring your video to life with visuals. Since you're not on camera, you'll use stock footage, images, and simple animations. You can find millions of high-quality stock videos and photos for free on websites like Pexels and Pixabay. For editing, beginner-friendly tools like CapCut or InVideo are perfect. They allow you to easily drag and drop your stock footage, add your voiceover, and include simple transitions. Visuals are incredibly important because they illustrate your points and keep your audience's eyes on the screen. Section 6, Step 5, Consistency and Realistic Expectations. Seconds. The final step is to upload consistently and have realistic expectations. Growth on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. You can't just upload one video and expect to get thousands of views. The key is to be consistent. Aim to upload at least one video a week. It typically takes about 20 to 30 videos before a channel starts to gain momentum and you see significant growth. Don't get discouraged if your first few videos don't perform well. Keep learning, keep creating, and trust the process. Success in AI YouTube automation is a marathon, not a sprint. Outro, and that's it. You now have the complete roadmap to start your own AI YouTube automation channel. It's an incredible opportunity for anyone who wants to share their passion with the world without being on camera. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Future Income AI for more simple AI income strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.